Up for sale, 1966 Chevy K10. I'm gonna walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 66 K10, 4x4, finished in red with gray interior. Just over 700 miles on a complete frame off with upgrades, which I'll tell you about as we go through the truck. But as always, I'm going to go around and point out anything I do see, which is not a lot. We'll fire it up, drive it, and get in for the driving. So we'll start here in the front as always. But some cool things I want to note. Powered by a 5.3 liter motor, 4L60E trans, power 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering. It's got a vintage AC. It's got a lot. I'm going to miss things, but I'm going to try and remember as much as I can. But first off, you're like, Andrew, how do you get into the truck? It's so dang high. Power running boards. Another nice thing. This not just upgrades. It's ideas that the guy had. I was looking. I'm like, this is a different mechanism than it would have been from the factory. And I'm like, okay. I'm like, obviously he did that with a purpose. Well, because these, big Chevy truck doors are just so hard to close sometimes. Just watch this. Like nothing. And then, I mean, that was just genius. That was just a thought that was executed perfectly. Beautiful paint and body. Chrome, trim. All the windows have been replaced. The body's straight as an arrow. For what I can show you on the hood, there's only a couple blemishes on the car, like little touch-ups. I do know where they are, so when I get to them, I'll point them out. But let's go ahead. We're just gonna pop the hood here real quick. Sorry, it's a little easier when I use my right hand. Push her up, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab this stool. I guess we'll set them here for right now. I should have done this earlier. Now I just feel stupid. Anyway, 5.3 liter. The engine's been totally rebuilt. I do have, as you saw, some paperwork for it, for the truck, I'm saying. I noticed there's a AER aluminum heads on here. You see the AC compressor. Let me zoom out. AC compressor all hooked up. Beautiful paint in this whole compartment. Firewall beautifully finished. CVF hood hinges. Actually, CVF was the company that made the power steering that was used on this blue Camaro I had not too long ago. Aluminum radiator. Turnkey, fires right up. Drive is awesome. Paired with the 4L60E trans. A little closer detail in there that you see. I guess you've seen the majority of it. Detail in the underhood as well. Beautifully finished. Every bezel is new, every light is new. I wanted to show you some other cool things that I noticed. These tires are massive. Stainless steel exhaust. Little Chevy emblems in here. The custom wood bed. Again, the detail in the bed is gorgeous. I love what they did here. They even got rid of the chains so it doesn't get all scratched up. So it's got an internal system. Probably easier to see there. So you just push that down to unlock it. Right there to unlock it. And then she just drops down. And it's got the cables. So it actually gives a nice clean look. And then the bed's just beautiful, beautiful. They put metal underneath the wood so moisture doesn't eat away at the wood. I mean, a lot of great ideas. Anyway, Just look as I start to come around how straight this bed is. But we're gonna go slowly through this whole side as well, but I'm gonna fire it up now. It's just, I'll never get over that. But like, look at the beautiful finish in here on all this metal. You know, no painted over bolts. Underdoor is pristine. Same quality paint used, you know, all in here, all on the dash. Aftermarket radio, your vintage air controls. They're Dakota digital gauges, like a billet tilt column, aftermarket wheel. Got the overdrive controls here, and then there are controls that actually come up there. Let's go ahead and fire it up. I love watching the gauges. Electronic speedometer, also a regular speedometer. So we're gonna go down driver's side of the car. I noticed it's got Fox shocks on all four corners. Look at this beautiful fitment all the way down. You see like a little mark right there, but then the door lines up super nice to the rocker. Trim lines up perfectly. Door lines up super nice all the way down here. I like how the running boards tuck down. They actually, you could see them in the pictures that I took of the undercarriage. Finished like glass down here. I think some of the couple blemishes I actually did touch up just a couple on the bottom of this door here. Sorry, there's a little bit of like dust from a rag that I was using that's stuck to the window, but it's a laminated safety glass, tempered safety glass, so I know that they replaced every piece of glass here, of course. That would make sense. New handles. We're going back in. I showed you this already. Showed you that. Haven't showed you the seat though. Real nice gray seat. Looks like brand new really when you look at it. Armrests that fold down on both sides. Seat belts. And then this guy comes down. Again, easier with two hands. Armrest again, secondary armrest, but you know, cup holders, nice to have. Zoom out here, you know, nice visors. Mirror, all the paint in here. Well done. Seals. Your VIN tag is in place where it should be. Little blemish right there. Showed you this. Beautiful finish all the way down here. got the... I thought it might have been one of those plastic gas tanks, but no, it's metal. 37 by 12.50 R17LT, in case anybody was curious. They got a little bit of the frame there. You feel the gas up there now. The bumper. Beautiful finish here again. We got a little bit more of the frame in there. There's one of the few blemishes on the truck. Little imperfection right there. They've even got like a little light in here that lights up the running board. Oh, here's the one I was looking for. Little touch up right there. Same deal on this side. Same beautiful finish on this side. All new seals in here. Nice and tidy there. Let me hop in here. Will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to go ahead and check it out. 66 K10. 700 and change miles on the complete build. But here's some of the paperwork that I have. It's definitely not everything, but I'm happy that I got something. So anything, I'm gonna have to go through here, maybe mention some of this stuff. Gen 3 DBC harness with 4L60E trans. I'm not entirely sure. Look at this. For the harness. So they're more manuals than everything. Vintage air manuals. More vintage air. 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 For the radio. So again, not like a crazy amount of paperwork, but... Oh, Brian Tooley Racing, that was the cam. Yeah, okay. But anyway, we are going to fire it up now, and then drive it, and move the bench. Thank you. 66.
Yeah.
Well, what do you got to say?
Wow.
Oh yeah, and I didn't say it's not just like a. You set off the alarm again.
What?
You set off the alarm again going by.
On what?
You set it off last time going past on some car over there.
Oh, the exhaust?
Yeah.
What do I have to say? Oh my God. I love it.
It's a high performance 5.3. I didn't mention that. It's not just a stock, you know, whatever.
Let's be on.
55 miles an hour right there. Oh, I like that color.
Bushes need to be trimmed at any time. No, Miguel, when he comes here. No, it's so tight. Handles perfect. Accelerates.
It drives straight.
Oh, yeah.
It's better than that piece of crap.
No, it's amazing. I mean,